Hi, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we are going to write how to write uppercase character W. Here we go. Bring your marker near to the first line. Move your marker up on first line diagonally. Now straightly come on third line. Now diagonally move upward on first line. Touch the first line. Now diagonally move downward on third line. Now straightly go up on first line and bring your marker downward diagonally. Now pick up your marker. Here is uppercase character W. Once again I am writing here. Bring your marker near to the first line. Touch the first line. Straightly come on third line. Now move upward diagonally on first line. Touch the first line. Now move diagonally on third line. Now move your marker upward straightly in a straight way. Touch the first line. Diagonally move your marker downward like this. Now pick up your marker. Here is uppercase character W. We will meet in next video with next character. See you, tata.